G-Dep, or go on G-Dep. Nicky Lavish, big up. First things first, let me say good morning and blessings to everybody who there. Yeah, so blessed, grand rising, enough respect. First things first, I want to say, most of you vloggers, I don't really want to go the disrespectful way today, but most of you vloggers figure suck on a mother. You are reaching now. You know help be a part of this problem here with Jamaica face. You see, you know do vlogging thing from your heart. You know the vlogging thing from your pocket. You know the vlogging thing to try eat a food and try get this money from TikTok and try get this money from Instagram and Facebook. So, in every situation, you try your best to speak in a way where the majority are going to like what I say. Because of the views you need. On the opposite end, me attack realness. Me not care about the paycheck. Cause me never really get no money from social media that makes sense to me yet. Me never get money and can pay a car note or pay a rent or buy a car or nothing after no social media ever. So, me notice somehow no, every time me speak, all of me speak the most positive thing, when you search and try to find the negative to say about Foota, because when you find out say the Foota 8 train garners views. So when you create unnecessary things for people 8 Foota Hype about, and when you don't look into the logics of what Foota Hype must say. Anyway, me not worry about you know, because them say many are called, few are chosen. Now, for people who have sense, for people who logically watch me, big up the people who are on the live, because you know way more way more advanced than the people who I watch some re-edited thing on YouTube. Them not hear the full story or not what Foota say, or get the full understanding of anything what Foota Hype say, because them on go run up on YouTube, see where some man edit up and cut off a little piece of what me say and I get the full argument. So me have to big up all who follow me direct, right as up on Instagram. See? Now, if you have been watching the happenings of this recovery after this storm here, and you still don't realize, said this is one of the most orchestrated, calculated, well planned out so-called natural disaster that we have ever seen. And if you're there and watch the recovery after the fact, say the disaster gone, and you don't realize, say, this thing here is actually a business move and not a humanitarian move. If you notice how the government operate, the government want all these people to die. If you have your eye open and your brain at work and your ears at work and you hear the things that are being said and you see what are going on and you don't realize say it's a clear, intentional event to kill the people them. I see a video. I see a video yesterday. Somebody said, what may I do to help the people? This is what I do for my Instagram right now. I help the people them. This is what I do right now. And the subject of you asking me what I do to help the people them. Most of you go when them things happen, you choose to help. Remember good when Tiger sick and me send money go donate Foota Hype music. You remember? Me donate to high schools across Jamaica. Me donate to street youth all over. In a pandemic, you know so much people me help. And me get Prince in money for opening pig farm. Him start sell ag. Me open 1 million fowl farm for youths in the inner city. You know if you ask me what I do every day. I do every day. I want to still say my broke and I do not. I never saw no highlight one of my charitable things them when we do yet. I never see one of my charitable things them make news yet. So, when I ask what I do for, when I do, you not care because you don't want to say Foota do nothing good. You just want to highlight say Foota the worst and Foota this and Foota that. You don't really want to have nothing good to say about Foota Hype. So now ask me what I do. Because when I do, you don't acknowledge it. See it? And it's out there. So, I talk about this now. If you don't realize, say, the Jamaican people have been sacrificed. They have been deliberately murdered in the name of natural disaster. You know what the weirdest thing I find? The weirdest thing I find, Zine, J-Star, when we done me look on that, the weirdest thing I find is like Jamaican people act like them blind or them oblivious or them naive to the fact that them kind of thing are go on for over 1 million years. We are in Jamaica and the only reason why somehow not act surprised and shocked, I not find it hard to believe, say the powers that be can actually be sacrificing the people them and not kill them for a greater reason, for them purpose. This has been happening in Africa for centuries. This way are going to Jamaica has been happening in Africa for centuries. Mass genocide via way of natural resources or disease or viruses or vaccines and them things that are going to Africa for hundreds of years. Talbot, sometimes you have to remind them, you understand? This way we see are going. First thing we got to talk about. America sending a plane with about 300 people or more. I don't know the exact number. See? Then bring the plane full of food. Why them a cook the food? Why them bring the food and a cook the food and just a share out the food? As a government, did we have any of our lab technicians or any scientists from Jamaica run a test from them food here to see if any virus in the food, if any COVID traits in the food, if anything we are going to hurt the people them in the food? Remember, you know, I am like the Grinch we come to spoil Christmas. You see, sympathy and soft-heartedness allow you to be submissive to poison and murder and mayhem. Martin always remember the movie named Try. Listening up. Always remember the movie name Try. And for over 10 years, me a telling up on the Instagram something here. Say be careful of the ones who come bearing gifts. Let me repeat myself. It said be careful of the ones who come bearing gifts. Rebel T said, oh God, my elder ain't not that serious. You don't know what is that serious. Gentrification is one serious thing. You see, when Babylon wants something, they will go to any length to get what they want. Don't forget, say, in Africa, them use AIDS and kill billions of people. Don't forget, say, in Africa, them use Ebola and kill millions of people. Don't forget, say, syphilis, as you know it, was created in a lab and injected on melanated men in prison, and then they were released into the streets to go and have sex with melanated ladies and spread syphilis across the world. Now we have syphilis I deal with today as a disease where people think say God created. So we have to think. Make we think. Make we think. When you remember over LA, they saw them poison the water. Them cut off the water. Carry water go give the people them. That time the whole of the water with them give the people them poison. Now Jamaican people have a tendency because them will see the buckle of water here. And because them drink it and them not drop down same time, them not understand say it poison. So I am saying to you, our beloved government who accepting these foods, food where you can just eat so. Did we get any of our medical professionals to test if these food have any ingredients that not supposed to go into the human body? Did that happen? Them just fly down with the food from plane and them are cook it, them are cook it, And I like them bring the food, and say Jamaican people see food and they go cook, Or set up and them are cook it. The same American them are cook the food. And a give to go distribute. So we just are run because we are suffer and just are go with the hands stretch out with no precaution and no question, not because we in a devastating state now. We should just accept, just stretch out with hand and accept anything so. I wanna not think. Nobody no stop. All of these people where we have here, how much $1 million a month, we say them are government, them not think about the people them, Because if you think about the people them, you'd have to test them food there before you throw them food up on the people them. Only I find it strange. Say Iran, Iraq, Israel, Palestine have the biggest war going down there. But the first convoy of medical practitioners and help I come from Israel. Nothing about that is strange. Nothing about that is strange. Israel has sent a full team of medical people. Or them not send a handyman. Or them not send a carpenter. Or Israel not send a man with a bushwhacker. Or them not send a deep sea diver figure look if them see a body in the water them. The first convoy where Israel has sent a medical. That means them are come inject people and dress people and nothing wrong with that. No see no suspicion, but me I wonder if Jamaican people just through we under crisis now. We not focus again. We not focus. We not look out our eye. That's one thing. Uno no realize, say, the government not in or not yes to save no life. Uno no realize that. You people don't realize that the government of Jamaica is not interested in saving any lives. We don't realize that me I wonder if you just get up, oh God, Jamaica, oh God, and distracted from the real thing. We don't realize that there are no efforts being put in place to save lives. We don't realize that. Here why you know so them now want to save no life now. All of the places where them say road block off and it's impossible to get to the people. Regular civilian I get to the people. So how uno can't get to the people? Regular civilian will just car and bike, regular resources, and get to the people. So how the government with all the equipment and all the resources can't get to the people? Just think that in our head. I am not here to cause ruckus and crocus, Zine, but I'm still not here to be a submissive lunatic. I am not here to think like a desperate slave begging for crumbs. I have been instilled with the gift of vision and the gift of discernment. God bless me to be able to comb through certain things and see behind the smoke screen. So I cannot come on here and speak like a regular vlogger. And I don't come here to look at money from TikTok or Instagram. And that me I look for. Now, most of these Jamaican people here are taught the good talk and afraid to address what the real issues are just some slaves who if they live on a plantation and I try escape, would have to kill them first. Because they are detractors of the truth. I'm going to show you one small instant. Let me know so the Jamaica government, I go through with them plan and they do not care about nobody life. Zin? There's a video circulating in social media. And you can go look for it if you don't want. Zin? A whole entire community is covered by water. When I say covered by water, I mean it there knee height, or ankle height, or waist height, or shoulder height, or head height. The water is covering the roof. The house top them covered with water. Wanna listen to me I'm saying, bro? The entire community, the house top them covered with water, and the water is getting higher by the minute. So ask yourself this question. How is that area not one of the #1 areas of concern for the government? How? Ask yourself this question. How many people are dead in those houses? Why is that area not a main concern to the government? Just ask yourself that question there. I am not here to beat down my Prime Minister, because Andrew Holness is my Prime Minister. I could have want to be painted a little more. Andrew the man is 1 PM now. Zine? But ask this question. I hear the Prime Minister of Jamaica urging the citizens in the unaffected areas, or the areas that were slightly affected, to go back to work and school right now, because the economy has to grow. You don't see nothing wrong with that. The Prime Minister of Jamaica is urging people in the unaffected or slightly affected areas to go back to work and school right now. I wouldn't see no problem with that. The so-called labor right, they must say Andrew do the greatest thing them on earth and him is the best. I wouldn't see nothing wrong with that. Since you have water in your brain, and your brain clouded, people are asking me to contribute, or this me to contribute. Let me do my contribution now. Mr. Holness, let me ask you the magic question. If everybody in the unaffected areas should go back to work and go back to school, with the rate of how you are responding to these atrocities, and to the way how after Foota talk the things them at that time when you start respond to what me I say, what would happen to the people in the affected areas? Because as far as me can see, you can see, the blind man can see, the deaf man can see, and God can see, are the people them in the unaffected areas, Kingston, Spanish Town, Outer East, at them, a drive go, a Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth, go donate and help and save life and feed people. So if you send back all of the people them in the unaffected areas back to school and work, who the mama bomber pussy rasclat I go a country go help the people them? Answer the magic question there. Answer the magic question there. Can it look like who advise the Prime Minister to talk, or if he advise himself, him gone crazy? More somebody answer the question there. If the people in from Kingston and St. Thomas and Portland and the people in were left town go save life, a country, and feed the people in a country to go back to work and school, who are going to help the people them? Who are going to help the people them? Because you don't want the people them to dead. The only reason why you don't urge the people them to go back to school and work, because you don't want nobody to go help the people them. You want them to dead. If you ask me, the country should have done a shutdown. And all efforts and strength and voluntary service, everything should be focused on the western end of Jamaica. Make it make sense. Oh, you got to tell the people if you go back to work and school when half of Jamaica still unaccounted for. First thing, the police, how much police in Jamaica? 5,000? They cannot service the whole area. They cannot service the whole area. So if you don't have civilian help, how it go work? And most of the civilian them cut off from internet, cell phone, roadway, can't come up. Some of them they in our house upstairs, them cannot come down. So how you think say Omar Baba, you really want me to answer you? I go block you because I'm in a good mood and I do one positive something and I want to tell you go suck out all of your mother them. So me just block you because I don't want you to get me cross and really blood clot. Hey, listen to me I say. You see this thing of people, I want serious something, you know. EOI you know, say, the government now an art. And we have to address Andrew, you know, because Andrew will lead the government. So Andrew name I go call more than everybody else. But believe it or not, people, everything what you hear Andrew come say was discussed before him come talk it publicly. So him sit down with him team and say we are going to go forward with this, you know. And then say, no, don't say that, say this. And this make more sense to say. So the whole entire government me have to blame for this. How is it possible that you are donated hundreds of generators? And this are for the people who say Andrew the best prime minister too. How can you be donated hundreds of generators? Never cost you a dollar, it don't come out of your pocket. And you're going to loan it to the sufferer them? Now, these people who are drastically affected, they are not in the position to pay any loan or pay back any loan or pay back for nothing for the next 5-6 years. Where them to get it from? Even if them start get back, say the country come back to a morning and them get a job. What the first thing you think them are going to try do if them get a job? Them going to try buy back 2 block, buy back 2 steel or buy some board or something. What you, everything you talk about learn. When the student them did stuck at Ukraine, instead of you send for them, you say you lend money, figure for them. You say housing trust, we give you a loan at $3.5 million. But you have to housing trust first we are true. That means no sufferer, we just live. That means you don't care about living people. You don't care about living, you don't care about life. Because see a man get a loan from NHT, he would have to do that show and have to sign up with NHT. 150 millions of people in a Jamaica who don't sign up with NHT. We never show nothing. One to the people where they have squatters land where a capture land them live on, but them a human being. So they never get no help. That you tell me. Answer my question now. So we are supposed to forget the people them where not have no NHT. Them not forget no help to build up no house now nothing. So what to the man who they have a TRN? What to the man who live in Jamaica and to mouth? Whenever look about a TRN yet kind of do no business in just sell to Aki and guy me or sell to breadfruit, that's how him live. Him not live? Him fi dead? Him fi homeless? Him fi suffer? Make it make sense, Mr. Holness. Want to the regular woman who have 3-4 picnic because she loves sex and she breed up and she not in a sense. She love man like dog. She not in a sense, but she breed up and she live in a one look at each of catch up taco. She not have nothing. She don't even have driver's license, ID, nothing at all. What if make she dead? What if make she dead? She not deserve to get a little house. She not deserve to get somewhere to put her head on her youth then. Just true she not have the NHT. Just true she not a TRN. True she never take survey. True she never take up census figure vote. Because she not on the voters list. She must dead. Me a try fathom with the man. Every time him say something, me I wonder what kind of craziness this. But you know what we do no people? Enough vlogger hate me and them try to tear me down because them wish if them did have the vision them have. And 9 years now, me I tell you, say, do not vote for Andrew Wallace, you know. 9 years, you know. You remember? The result them just a show now, you know. But at 9 years ago, me see it. And know say him I gonna be one of the most dangerous prime minister we ever seen in history. How me could have did know that? How me could have did know that? Hey, you see you we are talk about structured thing and go take time. Go suck your mother too and me a block you too. Go suck out to the mother. Who not tell me about take bomb clock time. I wanna tell me say, yo, you see lunatic them we are tell me about blood clot government I go take time. No time not dead, the people them are dead. Which blood clot take? Listen to me, I say. Listen to me, I say. Because I don't want to lose, I don't want to get angry and lose focus of what me I say. For the illiterate, lunatic, stooge, the whole sexual, because they would say brand sexual for LeBron James and them. The whole sexual, them, the wholeness group with them. Listen, on use on a logical brain. This is an emergency. Fuck you tell me about take time. It did take time for Andrew raise the pay a all politician. Not as him winning do it. Let me break down something to them idiot here. I'm gonna tell you a slave like Uno would have to dead on the plantation for we get to you know. Did you know that there is a disaster fund, a disaster account set up in advance for disasters like this? I'm asking you people, because some of them have no sense. Did you know that there is a disaster fund where it's in the budget for things like this? You don't know that? It's estimated that there's 400 million in that account for disaster. That now have nothing to do with the insurance. Martin, listen to me good enough. That now have nothing to do with the insurance. With Jamaica. Yo, sometimes I wonder if people, so, ima wobia uno or something, uno underfell or uno no years, uno no listener of sense. The insurance that was placed on this storm, you know, Jamaica are the first place in the world get that insurance. It was designed for Jamaica, you know. That's why I have to know say that storm, you know, your regular storm, you know. After I must say 2016, them signed that, you know. You don't understand, say, the 150 million you hear about, it fluctuates, it get higher or lower, depending on the category of the storm. Then buck the limit of the storm to category 5. That means them will get the full maximum of the money. There's a grid. Because this will go over some on the head. There's a grid. And depends on how the storm walk through the grid and more money you get. Then explain how the storm walk right through the dearest element of the grid. You know? You don't understand how the storm you walk, you know. The storm you walk to the bank. That storm you walk to the bank. That storm you walk through the financial effects of the insurance. Yeah. So you now using the brain. Next thing. Let's just do the basic how the insurance scheme you give out. In Jamaican money, the insurance money is 11 billion Jamaican dollar. Zin, the Prime Minister say him willing to give 10 million each, right? Me can't count good. Me get kicked out of Calabar early, so me can't count good. So make we uno count for me. Zin? Uno count for me. Zin? Please. We have 63 MP, right? A 63 MP we have, right? So if Andrew give each MP $10 million, If you do what them are doing in them constituency, right? And how much money that? 10 mil Jamaican dollar. Yeah, you must say Maggie each empty. How much is that if you times it by 63? $630 million. See? So if you Maggie 10 million each, out of we equal to 630 million, right? Out of 11 billion, how much left? 11 billion we are talking about with a B. Minus that out of $11 billion. I'll break it down for you today and show you why the government is a wicked. It's not a loan that moment, it's the insurance money that is not a loan. That not come with no interest. Jamaican have to pay back no interest on that. Because it's a loan. It's an insurance benefit. So no interest no on it. You don't have to pay back that. 11 billion Jamaican dollars scotch free after the insurance or they insure the storm. The planned storm was insured before it come. From about 2016. So this is not an overnight thing. Okay. So let's calculate. Please, no man. Calculate, no man. If you minus 630 million from 12 billion, how much left? 630 million from 11 billion. How much leave? Make it read the money where him want give. The money where him want give. The empty them is not even $1 billion out of the 11 billion. 10.4 billion left. So why are we not seeing that this man is wicked? Where the rest of the money I got? The money come after the storm. Insurance to help back the people. So just think about what me I say, no, man. How is this a good prime minister? Remember, I make you talk good. Cause I no bash me, I bash Andrew, We are talk about logics. Notice me now make up nothing. And logics me I talk. One person get 20 million US. One dege person get 20 million US. One person get 20 million US. So why are the generator them come free? Remember this, Because in the day I chat, and I put politics in this thing, and now make no sense, Think about this. Them a ask where me get, or where me donate to Jamaica from this time. You don't realize, say, the government not giving or donate nothing to Jamaica. The government want to run back, put on the colors, ride on a bike, drive on a car. You don't realize that them don't get nothing at all, not even a icy mint. You don't realize. You don't realize that entertainer, artists, and regular people alone get something. You don't realize that. You don't ask Foota where Foota get. And I ask every artist where I get. And you know we not pay 28 million a month to do the work. And who not pay out of the pocket $20 million to do the work a month time. Don't do nothing. Everything where they give where somebody give them. Everything where the government put out so far as somebody give them. They have not touched a dollar out of where we give them to spend back on we. But you know ask me where me do for Jamaica. Uno never run behind me yet, you know. You know, one campaign in the ball and say me broke and me chat too much and me too straight, me feel dead. Cause I bought the business, I run Jamaica and it I run the whole place, so what me can do about it, me can't do nothing about it. And that you know say. So when I come ask me what will me give. You don't realize that the government has not even spent 1 cent out of them pocket to nothing. Then they not spend the money where we give them to spend back my way. Because there's estimatedly 400 million in our disaster fund where the same Andrew come telling about before the storm come. Remember? In the telling them. He said there's a fund with 400 million to prepare for them kind of thing. Yeah. So all the storm done now. And not even out of that you know want to give no money. Not even out of that you know want to give no money. And uno there so still sit down and find excuse say politician but a whole entity in accountable for what them not give or what them not do. Uno see say something wrong with you. Uno see say water in our brain. Uno not see that. Uno not see say the man them deliberately want to kill off the people. Stick up in. Over Galdeville, where the water rise. One whole community submerged underwater. We do not know how much people dead in them house there. Me get kicked out of high school. See? Me get kicked out of high school. So me not have much sense. So, what me might talk now might be foolishness, but remember me a dunce, me a idiot, me broke too, so me not have no money, so that kind of stress my brain, and it might make me talk fuckery. Cause me clouded. You understand? Me living in my car, me not have no money, me not get a date, me not get no bookings, right? So all of them think they're stress factor. So please don't hold me accountable for what I might say now. Cause me alone I think I'm a broke. Right? Because only rich people have sense. Only people with money have sense according to Jamaican. So me are one of the people that have sense because I'm not rich. Alright? So watch this now. The area in a Galdeville was submerged underwater. Right? The water is getting higher by the minute. Now, me not have no common sense. So, thinking as a broke lunatic, how are we going to eliminate this water rising situation? Do we have cesspool trucks in Jamaica? Do we have cesspool trucks that go and drain pit and cesspool and drain anything? Pull out shit, water, sewage, pull it out. So if you, the government, I get paid $28 million a month, say, protect the people and work for the people, how can you not see that we need to mobilize all cesspool trucks and all fire truck to these kind of area where submerged underwater? The hose them on the fire truck and the cesspool truck them long. Make them park at an area where closest to the water. Put the hose them in the water. Start draw out the water like how they draw the water out of a pit. Load the truck them. Carry the truck them, go unload back somewhere where it can unload where it not flood nobody. Come back, do the same thing over and over until you get rid of the fucking water. Oh, is that so hard? So what you are telling me, say, all of them millions of them are pay people, them not pay nobody if you think like that? Where the fire truck them, me not see not even one fire truck nowhere. Me not see not even one fire truck nowhere. The hose them on the fire truck long. Them 58, them make for them kind of disaster. Yeah. So why all of the government run things them where you do the work? Park up in a station, the whole of fire truck them in a fire station, the whole of cesspool truck them there where them for there. They are not mobilized to do this. So the government are trying to save people. Me there so sit down as a lunatic, as a broke man. And me can think that in my economy. Nobody tell me that. Nobody can take credit to tell me that. But think. If the place flood out and submerge, how you get rid of the water? Because you can't wait for the sun to dry up the water. That are going to take months. Or probably 1 year, 2 years. For the sun. Because one day when I realize, them are one Jamaica. So I stand up on the sea again. we are going to get 7 days worth of rain and wind. You not hear about that? So my thing is now, Paul Dennis, the road clear already where the more bomb buckler to attack fuckery. Which road block? You know see the white man in one of the houses submerged underwater. Because the hotel like cheese story. And a video and a show you say the whole place submerged. How him reach there? How him reach there? Where you talk about road clear? You know see say when them show you the helicopter drop food. The helicopter drop food. I'm gonna drive fast and I said, oh, them a drop food. So why them a do them deplorable thing there? Listen what me I say. Why the government a do them deplorable thing there make it look like we're Somalia or somewhere? Why are you in an era where car can drive a drop food out of helicopter? You see a drop food in the place then when no road not there and water submerged when nobody can go. This way if you go drop things in a floating bag, some people can swim go get 2 thing and thing. What you do with helicopter drop food in an era where we see car drive faster video? That means that that era roadway is good. So when helicopter do this, a grounds troop, you have to send this up. Send the helicopter them in a place where nobody can reach. The man that right as a video helicopter drop food, right as so that makes sense? How that makes sense? I want to just sit down and watch a video them, oh God, Jesus, I'm crying, drop the food, drop the food. I don't know if how I get played. I don't know if a fool them take on a far. If vehicle can reach this, that's a man can have video when the helicopter drop the food. What is the helicopter doing there, sir? The helicopter is not needed there, sir. It come like you drink too much boom and rum, brethren. You drink too much boom and rum. Some of the boy crutches in on the eye, you can't see. Or someone look a dirty blagger boy where I look high. You suck too much pussy. Some of the boy dildo in on the mouth. You don't have sense. I don't do a ton of Instagram and chat be a fuckery and attack Foota Hype because you want views and you don't have sense. What is the helicopter doing in an era that vehicles can reach? Wait to do that. And you have millions of places where unreachable. I dare say if you got drop food, wrap up in a plastic bag and drop it. So if it even drop in the water, a man can use a stick and dry it in. Or somebody who brave enough can go swim and get it. Where helicopter do a place to carry that? For the what? For the what? When them a drop the food right here, so people are run right here, so come get the food. People there so walk and walk, but that not make no sense. The way on licky and love sympathy, on not understanding people's style, you know. You have somebody cannot give a gift, you know, and not give them a gift, you know, bro. I suffer them, I suffer, you know. Me ask you know, all the while if somebody give a poison, and you know say a poison, if you still are gonna name it. Because me see one little idiot vlogger boy you talk about, oh, me love come with negativity. Me come with logic. And no negativity, logic me come with. Logic. What is the helicopter doing in an area that vehicles are able to go? That somebody can have video you and drop the goods right beside them. Oh, Jesus, them a drop goods. So want to the place them when no car can go, no bike, nothing of the people them a call out to tell them so them they are stranded. Oh, the helicopter them now fly down close and the soldier them cut off the grill and taking the people them one. Taking the people them one to a rope or the ladder and them climb up and save them. Uno not try save nobody. Me not see them a try save no life. Them want the people them for dead. And that me I try tell you now, you not hear. Them want the people them for dead. Them want the people them for dead. Now this area, come me have to talk about that area, because from this thing I done, only one little thing me see, but this move me the most. If one community submerged underwater, just imagine how much people dead. So what gonna happen when you left this submerged underwater? The water soak the dead body them, sun come catch it, the water get hot, the body decompose, the body starts swell, pow! body bust, body fluid start run out, maggot, worm, shit. Because you know when people dead, whatever fluid in your body have to run out of that with piss, shit, anything will run out. And the whole area there lock in so like a pool. It lock in like a pool because the water now go nowhere, the water now run go nowhere. Zine, what go up now? More disease to kill off more people. So if there are any survivors, because of how them take so long to adjust that area, the atmosphere itself are going to start kill people. You don't know think about that. Everybody just think about care package and what artists are do. The artists them not fi do nothing more. The artists them prove say, are we as entertainer are the real heart of Jamaica. The politicians don't care about nobody. You notice them flying a helicopter go all these places and never carry a scandal bag of banana chips. They never carry a case of water in a helicopter. You don't remember that. Them go in a them nice button down shirt and shake the people them and then go back on the helicopter and cut. You don't remember? You never look on that. You never look on that. So you just get up. I want to just find a scapegoat every day, whether the scapegoat are Foota Hype, or Cartel, or Mavado, or Beanie, or Bunty, or Shaggy. You just find public figures to style and criticize. A man get $10, you don't have a problem. Him should have give more. Who the fuck is you for saying to give more? A man give $1 million, or 10 million him should have give. But yet still, the people them on the dead so called politicians, not even give 1 cent. Up to now, none of them not take out them pay out of them pocket and do nothing. But you know, criticize the artist whether them do $1 or $10 or 1 million or 20 million. Anything an artist do must be appreciated. Because we get treated the worst. Entertainer get treated the worst. And we them send police come beat all the while. Look how them lock up Tommy Lee, prison him, do baiting. Yes, artists do wrong thing, but politicians do wrong thing too. Them are going to say, oh, Tommy Lee did they get to hold with God? Yeah, you could have given amnesty. You could have given Laden amnesty. Look how much politicians rape and abuse and do boogery and bugger thing and don't get a day in a jail. And the artists them still have to come back. Skeng, Malidan, Missima. I do a bugger thing. Me not like, well, let me say me not like. Me ignorant for Spice. But me have to give her ratings now. Me like what Spice do. Remember this not stuff her from be a shit in a plate. Cause she one of them will help me this time come. Zine? Cause them have this dirty life here. But what she do? She got hard. Me see Chuck till me tired. She carry block, cement, steel, gravel, shovel, sand, bulb. Yo, me no know West Spice no carry. Me no know West Spice no carry. Me I tell you the truth. Me I tell you the God truth. Spice go hard. Spice go hard. So you are telling me, say, you think, say, Spice have more money than Jamaica government bank account them? You think, say, Sizzler them have more money than the Jamaican government? You think, say, Tommy Lee have more money than the Jamaica government? So it's Spice and Cartel and Beanie Man them can do so much. How the government not do nothing at all yet? Nothing at all. And then when you do get free, you might loan people. Loan. Me hear lady say she a give her house to 5 mother who are homeless. Our big giant house over, I will up this name again. But they remember what this name. Where Chris Gale them live and Little Miss them and who does that? Who does that? You think say none of them politicians here say me have 5 house. See one of my house there, I'm going to live in it till this done. Which one of them I do that? Which one of them I do that? Get up, talk to me now. Oh, me no hear no politician say, me have 5 house. Only take one of them house there. Some of them mother them were homeless. But ladies, sir, could have said, ladies, sir, could have come publicly and say, me big giant house up there, sir. 5 mother were homeless, got take it and live in it till you can do better. What has any politician done? And that me I try to ask you know. Me see one little idiot vlogger, cause in no sense, you know, and I be a line come and think come chatting. True me say, massacre do a great thing. Me not hear mention say me say that. You know. And massacre must not make no politician come drain him energy. Make them go do their own thing. Cause what them a do, them a use the artist's effort and I make it look like a them a do it. That a something wrong, me say? This little lunatic. This little clowny jump up about Foota Hype, chat me a negative, one negative about that. Artists, nothing make a politician bridge them current. Because artists are spending out of them own and pocket them own and millions. And politicians are make millions, phantom and millions to do the work. So what them need to merge with artists, you go give them nothing, go and go do it to yourself, carry no own thing them. And that me I say. So, oh, something bad that Foota say. That's why I tell you some of them vlogger boy, yeah, them tongues they cut out. Cause that has something for you come upon Foota Hype, sir. After the realest thing, me I say. But you still not upon the politician. Some of them vlogger boy, you just come and vlogger, for talk, for look at a view, or a viral figure, collect a check. Why would Massacre spending millions when make out of music and make one politician come each up beside him to take out the whole of that glory they like of them? You soon hear them say the politician give Massacre the thing them figure. You bet? Who want bet? Who want bet say that them soon say? You soon hear them take out the glory from Massacre and say, are the politician give Massacre the thing them figure. Just asking yourself that question. What if the artists them and the people them in a dance hall never step up? What would that happen? Because I know the government not step up, you know. So just ask yourself, what would happen if these entertainers never step up? Shaggy book a private jet, load it with goods, and sell in Jamaica instant. Here me not like with them so-called die-hearted labor right. You not find the excuse for Andrew saying things take time and people for wait. Oh, Shaggy never wait. This me I try ask. Oh, Shaggy never wait. Oh, Shaggy never wait. Oh, Shaggy just book the private jet, load it and send it at the same time. Oh, Buju now wait. Buju just load a plane and send again. Oh, Chantal never wait. Beanie Man the first man jump out. Oh, Beanie Man never wait. So why we must give Andrew a pass for wait? How much people are going to dead if we wait for Andrew? How much people are going to get contaminated? How much disease are going to spread? May I tell you this? I'm in a business who want vex. The government want the people and for dead. The government want the people and for dead. The government really wants all the people in the designated areas to die. Just thinking on the head. How can a disaster like this happen? Now we don't say one fire brigade all now. I don't see one ambulance all now. Wanna not look into things and ask questions. Why we don't see one fire brigade or one ambulance all now? Why are all the government resources not mobilized? Just asking yourself that question, man. Wanna asking yourself yet or not asking yourself? Wanna asking yourself? Come on, me I talk slow so you can really stop and check it up and look, because through everybody has suffer, we are trying to save everybody. We nah look on the conspiracy them we are going, and we nah look on the deliberate genocide we are going in front of our face. When we ask the next question, or we not ask. This reminds me of how Christians stay. A Christian, by the way, where the church? Rascal, this is the next thing. Where is the church? Where is the church? Jamaica have the most church per square mile in our world. Where is the church? All of a sudden Jesus gone missing. Where is the motherfucking church? So Jesus take vacation right when Jamaica mash up. The most evident help when me see this thing I get from dancehall, you know? The most evident thing when me see I go on, not even reggae, dancehall. I got the hardest. Me not see the church, me not see the politician, me not see the private sector. Me see them put out an article say Adams Stewart say sandals are going to lock till next year July. Why the people them can't go in there? Why? Why the homeless people them can't go in there? Because the hotel too good for them. It better it lock up. Better it lock up and don't be living there than the homeless people them going there. But it not open till next year July. And every hotel insures. So if the people them if you go in there something mash up insurance to deal with that. Just think where the church there. Where is the church? The richest organization on the planet, the church. Where is the church? Oh, I see Pope John Paul sent 2 aircraft of goods to Jamaica. Nothing from the church. I see Church on the Rock. You have Church on the Rock of Texas, Church on the Rock of Florida, Church on the Rock of Atlanta, Church on the Rock of Jamaica. All them not say nothing. Uno police want to know this. The way on a text set for an entertainer. Use this and mark why uno fi stop treat entertainer like pussy wall. When them send go lock off dance, go drink rum and fuck girl a back road and down gonna away. When them send come terrorize Uptown Mondays and Weddy and Lego the street and the event door gone away. Uno remember this day. Say a dance hall. Come help the people them. Church missing. Politician missing. Private sector missing. Who the people them have to depend upon? The little dirty dance hall people them. Whether we and we friend them live bad or not. Whether me cuss twice every day. Whether cartel and beanie or war. Whether a dance hall step up. I don't know cuss Bunty same wind up him, win down him, not chat to people, still step up. When no cuss Sizzla them, still step up. Oh no cuss Buju, still step up. What the people them want to praise them? What the people them want to praise? What the church? What the politician? What the private sector? What the uptown? The closest thing to uptown is Missy Donator, Shaggy and Sean Paul. What them there? What them there? Shower there, Missy 1 million Lamborghini, 1 million Ferrari down at Jamaica, one waga SLR McLaren, Cybertruck. Where them rich people there? Where them there? Big up Russian too. Me see Russian jump in and do something. So Russian are part of uptown, but a dance hall. Russian family money different from the music money. A dance hall give me music money. So a dance hall that come under too. Where is the private sector? Get up and where are we rich uptown friends? Where are they? Where are they? All the Chinese them, when we burn them out, them get guilty and donate. Where is the uptown sector? Where is the private sector? Me still a call out Adam Stewart, Butch Stewart's son. I saw him name get up him. I don't have nothing against your brother, but I see on election day you and 5 or 6 of your Jamaican white friends went to the polling station and voted very early, and you hold up your finger and say, I want to go do I want to do the right thing. Oh, you not show up all now? Oh, you not show up all now? Why we can't get the hotel them where you locked down and say it now open till July next year? Why we can't get them to put some of the homeless, especially the women and children? Why we can't get it? Why we can't get it? Me not call it no phone things. And phone things in Adam Stewart. But at the same time, we say, where is the compassion? You can't run a business so much years and I make profit, and the whole of your business insured, and you can't risk saving some lives. You can't give 1 6 months, because you advertise that the hotel are going to lock up until July. You see, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 9 months. One baby can born in 9 months. Give it the place. Give it the place. Give it the place. Give it some of the hotel them and nobody in it. Come on now. My brother here says sandals flood out and mash up. You know how much sandals there? You know how much sandals there, Jamaica? You know how much tour it have? You know how much floor? So if the first floor flood out, we can go second floor and third floor and the 5th floor. Me know Jamaican people. If you tell them, say, them can get the next 10 floor up because I 11th floor and the first floor flood out, Jamaican people will go over there with bucket and cup and hose and draw out the water. Them. Me not ask Christ. Me not ask Christ. So now tell me about flood out. Now tell me about flood out. Now tell me about flood out. We will empty that. We will use bucket and cup and empty that. I swear for my life. If you ever carry some of them homeless people over there and say, if you don't get out the water, you can't stay. And see what happens. If you know that dry like chips. In a less than 8 hours, that dry like chips. And clean too. See somebody say, and clean up too. Me not ask Christ. So when I tell me, say, you don't know think about people. Remember, say, if you take a hose, because enough people now use them brain. You know? Remember, if you take a hose, right, and put in a water, and leave the next end of the hose out in the dry, oxygen alone and the air are going to make the hose start draw out the water. You know that, right? Poker dance, big dancer come. But when again poker, you know say if you put a hose in a pool of water, right? And just left it. The hose and the oxygen are going to just draw out the water, right? That's why I say, how can the city in Mandeville, covered with water. And we don't see them deploying a fire truck. I get the cesspool company them and tell them, say, you're mobilizing, you know, you're not losing your life if you're not helping in another crisis here, you know. We need to go over here, so throw the hose in the water and turn on the machine and make the machine draw out the water. What hard in that? Anyway, the water there. Got the foot of the water, throw the cesspool hose in there, turn on the vacuum, something with them have on the truck, and draw out the water. Get the fire truck then, go to the location, do the same thing. Fire truck have some hose where almost thousands of feet long. Shove it in the water, turn on the vacuum, draw out the water. What hard in that? What hard in that? Yeah, tear more, but it stopped flow now. It's settled. The water now flow, it's settled. So all if the river did come over, it no matter, it's settled now. It's like a cup of water now. It loaded in this. So once you put the hose in it and dry it out, I hit that. Adapt them to penetrate one for hours. Where fire truck them there? Where water truck them? Me not see no ambulance, not even one. Rebel T, I say, when we say entertainment, there's no way sandals are going to give people them good hotel. That means that there's no love for the people, and that may I try to show you. And that's why you need a government that leads. Because the government, to put on their foot when the hotel people them, to house the people them. The first order of the day should have been evacuation and, what you call it? Not location. Accommodation. The first order of business after the storm should have been evacuation and accommodation. First thing the government should have do is evacuating people, try to save as much lives as possible, and accommodation. Chilani multi-stadium, nothing now keep down there. No football now go on, no cricket, nothing. Take the whole field and put tent for the people then. Load the field with portable bathroom and open up the bathroom them where in a stadium that the people them can use it. Oh, where them the lock up for? Where them the place the lock up for? Where them the place the lock up for? Tell me now. Chill on the multi-stadium, what we are doing with it? He just there to take up cobweb? One whole community submerged by water to the roof. More than just thinking on the head how much people dead. That's so. I can't accept nobody to my life when I don't know. I not do that something there. I tell you in a long time, say, the only way a country move forward, if you have a leader who are willing to lead. The government have the option for all hotels and things accountable. This is a crisis. This is an epidemic. This is something very serious. Put on your foot from the hoteliers them. Put on your foot from the local food place them. Put on your foot from the gas station. Any form of business we are run, boy, yeah. Give them requirement, give them mandates to follow so that you can more help the people. You not help the people. The government is doing nothing to help the people. To me, the government want the people for dead. In these desolate areas where most damage happen, I think the government want people for dead. Because these are the same regions that is needed to do this smart city thing. You understand? So I think the government want them for dead. And this thing here, I go get worse. Here why it go get worse now. You hear them come with that thing say, if you want aid and help, you have to take needs. Mark my word today. No? Mark my word today. Then them are going to tell us, if you can prove ownership of the land, the government is going to take it. Una bet? Una bet me? And them are going to come again and say, oh, you haven't paid taxes in X, Y amount of years, the government taking the land. And then you are going to hear again, the land there, but them don't know who own it because the people them dead. So what got happen? The government is going to take it. And then, anybody will have proof of them land and depth on the land, in the way how them to build them city, are going to be asked to sell it. And if you do not sell it, they are going to create a scenario to make you illegal and lock up on a blood clot and take it. Remember, I'm telling you that. Who want bet me? Who want bet me? Who want bet me? Who want bet me? Me take on any bet right now. Who not say the government there one thing we say the plan have to go through by any means necessary. You not say that I go. For the numbskull them and the idiot blogger them, learn something to them. I got teaching you something to them. Nothing under the sun is new. Listen now. Nothing under the sun is new. How come everything with a storm here at the first way I see it? Nothing under the sun no new, no. The pattern of the storm here, unusual. The storm couldn't get picked up on the storm satellite. There was no evidence of the storm on the satellite which show a storm and the traveling of the storm. The storm changed courses like a human being. Peter Kingston, go back in the water, come out back a White House. That's how it works. It not travel across the land or across the coast. It come, peep, disappear, come back, peep watch a little bit. It not come on the land, go back, and just come on the land of White House. Very unusual. So, me show you a whole unusual thing going on. When you ever look after a storm, what we've seen before, and look on the work pattern of the storm, yeah, me have to block somebody. When you look on the after effect of the storm, none of you look on the what damage was done. You know see the storm have a more tornado effect than a storm. Because you have to look out on the eye. You know see the storm have a more tornado effect than a storm effect. You don't realize that. Storm travel so. You don't see a saw. This thing I lift up the bus them and drop car and can take off the roof and take up the house them out of the ground. Upward in the sky. Next thing, because I don't want to get too technical, I want to show you what I'm going. When you don't know, say, check the plants them, the tree them, the grass them. You know, say everything look like a burn. You know, say the nutrients out of all of the tree them gone. The life gone out of the tree them. As opposed to tree blow down. Everything look like it burned down. You don't realize that. Somebody said them the day of Ochi and it move like a tornado, not a storm. It's just because we don't know observant, and some people just, the internet consume and just run and follow everything on us, you not investigate. Look, if you not see, it look like a fire pass through the place them. When it come to the plant them, every plant burn up. Every nutrients in that plant dry out. The leaves them dry out. The grass them dry out. Everything with it green, brown. Who do not notice that? Who do not realize that everybody were dead, a sacrifice then get sacrificed? Who do not realize that? There were chemicals in this storm to kill vegetation, to kill out the tree them and something them, poison the crops. Who do not realize that? Why when the storm a come, them send one plane go fly right in a high storm? A category 5. And what kind of plane that? We go through the category 5 to go in at the high height. Or them withstand the wind speed there and something there. What kind of plane that? What kind of plane that? Oh, no, not learn, you know. Remember, the great Emperor Selassie tell you already, you know. Gun and knife now go win the war them again, you know. You have something called biological warfare. You have something named biological warfare. What that plane they going at the eye of the storm go do? What the plane going at the eye of the storm go do? And why the plant them? Why the storm rain here have the adverse effect here upon draining all of the nutrients and energy out of the plant them? So although we there and we are trying to rebuild, we have to think in our head too, you know. And look what them are do to we, you know. Gavar, the eye of the storm usually calm, but you have to get to the eye. The eye in a miggle. All that plane they withstand category 5 winds and category 5 rain and all of that to go in our eye. Ask yourself that now, brother. You know see what the eye do, which part the eye pass at Jamaica happen. You know see say nothing on left. So all that plane there withstand all of that to go in our eye. Only no see say the after effect of the storm is like a bomb drop. Only no see say it don't look like a storm, it look like a bomb drop. The way the road them split in a two, it look like a something goes a boom in the road them. Only no realize. No storm we ever seen no move so yet. Everything about this storm is abnormal. And then the reaction process to survival by the government is not making our thoughts any better. Me hear say, I don't know if that's true. Me hear say NASA did down here too. NASA? When NASA did here? Why they would have give Jamaica? Look how the world big. Why they would have give Jamaica the first storm insurance? The insurance that we get is the first of its kind. It was designed for this. Why we? Why? Why Jamaica? Why we get that first? You don't ask question. Who not ask question? You know, so me like this. I got pin that comment here. The man said he's a black man. I try to talk to black people. Them not gonna listen to me. If I was a white man, 99% of them would have rate me. True. True. But I already know that. That's why I keep talking. Because what I do is necessary. Somehow do not understand this now. I got tell you that part here now. Did you know that if a government is being bought, right? If you get paid to do something, them cannot pay you and say, see you pay you. You know how them pay government to do corruption? Me see if you're not using a brain. How them pay government to do corruption? Them pay in a donation. It's considered a donation. So probably that's why the government don't want to spend the money. Cause of money where them get paid for what them did agree to. How Starlinks are cemented in this? How Starlinks are cemented in this? How Lime, Flow and Digital can get on the internet, but Starlink can get the internet. It's just indirectly telling you say Africa gets Starlink. That's what it is. So when you not going to wake up? When you not going to wake up? When is Jamaica going to wake up? This is the beginning of the new virtual prison in Jamaica. Just remember me telling you. This, I never nothing sudden. Just think in your head. All the insurance policy are signed from 2016. But 2016 or 2017. Just think about that. I'm going to tell you something you never know neither. I'm going to talk it over here already, but you never have pain in your mind. You remember when I tell you, say, the government of Jamaica buy 21 fighter jet. You remember me telling you? You don't remember? You remember when I tell you about 4 years ago, so the government buy some fighter jet? You don't remember? And be people laugh at me, you chat too much, how you know that? And me name Foota Hype. I have friends in high and low places. You remember when them see the tanker them down a wharf, the armored car them down a wharf, and the youth it video. If you never video it, you don't know about it. You know? I remember when me that talk about that, I tell you, say, the government buy 21 fighter jet too. Ask me how me know that. So there's a lot of things going on we don't have a clue about. Which part the El Salvador man them will come to Jamaica, where they there? Which part them a stay? I want to see them. Where they come to Jamaica for them? Where they come to Jamaica for them? Can't the storm them a deal with? What them a deal with? When you just a kiki, and a kiki, and a cartel no give this, mother no give this, alkaline no give this. When you distracted, man. When you distracted, man. All of this way you say you go and plan already. This is not nothing just sudden happen here. Think about this. Because I'm not thinking, and me have to think for you. Think about this. The finance minister will resign. And him sign the insurance deal for the storm. When him resign, where him going to work? IMF. Who responds to them atrocities here all over the world? Who destabilize other people's country and take it over? IMF. So they move him from local government because of how them agreement go and how them work and upgrade him, give him a promotion, him there IMF now. You figure say IMF response to them something, yeah? Disease, destabilization, genocide, coup, overthrow, all of it. You remember? Why IMF draw him in? Because he's so good at what he does. You know why IMF draw him? Because he's so good at what he does. Them see him as one big asset. So them have to give him promotion. He might get bigger money, bigger everything for the war. For suffer Jamaica. You never sit down and look on that yet. And him sign the storm insurance deal from about 2016. And it just had take effect now. Wake up Jamaica. I love you, know, but I not pet you. I love Jamaica, but I not pet Jamaica. I not come here to come tell you what you want to hear. I tell you what you need to hear. And I not come here to come dish out be a sympathy. And everybody at Jamaica deserves sympathy. And everybody in Jamaica deserves sympathy, and it's just the truth. Some are if you're dead. And some good people will have to suffer for the bad people. No rocket science, not about it. The good will have to suffer for the bad. Because some are only good, but you accommodate the bad. You shelter the bad. So you shall be punished as well. And just the truth. Who don't like the truth, go sleep. Me not come and say what politically correct. Who violate nature and violate the way of nature all the time. Remember say, I know God make the storm, but God watch the storm at earth. I want to not free that. You don't make me know say I'm sick. Somebody said to me yesterday, Foota, you can't say that, man. No, me not think say the government so wicked for deliberately kill off so much people. Nobody know that Jamaica compared to what them killing in the world. At 20 million Congolese dead in a Congo alone, you know, by King Leopold, you know. 20 million. And every year over 3 to 4 million families die in Congo and get displaced, and them still not here. How much people Dr. Fauci kill in a COVID? Since we not talk like this, to them, to we, and something big this happen in Jamaica. To them, this is not at all. You know. How much people dead in a COVID? How much basketballer, footballer, runner just have play a game and drop down and dead? How much teacher we know worldwide dead in a COVID? How much people them inoculate and poison with COVID? You forgot that Jamaica was one of the main advertisers of COVID? You remember say this same government say if you now take the vaccine, you now get no water. How is a blood clot forgetful? That's why I'm not too sorry for a blood clot body, you know. Because remember say, you make Christopher Tufton win back him seat big, you know. And that man they telling us say, if you not take the vaccine, you not get no water, you know. You don't remember that. You don't remember that. So you expect them to deal with it good now? You don't remember that. So you feel grateful, you forgot to same people them are. More people dead through COVID than this. This happened in Jamaica, very terrible, don't get me wrong. More people dead at Jamaica in a COVID than this, silently dead. The amount of teacher, the amount of picnic, the amount of... You don't want to go back memory lane? You don't want to go back down memory lane? So, you think this is nothing for them do? You think them care who want dead? Let me ask you something. You don't think them politicians care who want dead? So now going like, oh, them could have never do that. Them couldn't so wicked. Them do it too now with COVID. And millions of people dead from COVID. And them not care. And Dr. Fauci don't do 1 day in a jail. Remember good enough. The man murder half of the world, you know, and don't even go to jail for 1 day, you know. You never look on that, you never stop and think. Dr. Fauci will now admit say COVID was a hoax, was an experiment. The whole of them agree. Don't even do 1 day in a jail. Who have a good day here. Who have eyes, let them see. Who have ears, let them hear. Who want to play blind, dumb and deaf, just go and go sacrifice yourself. You understand me I say? I don't have time to kill up myself for you know. I just come by yourself, talk my mind and go about my business. You see me? Who want hear, who want to take a lesson, take a lesson. Who don't want to take a lesson, carry on. Carry on and joke. Them say choose Jamaica, them say 1 p.m. Carry on, my boss. Suffer them, my boss. Continue, my boss. 1 p.m. 1 and jewelness. Anything on get? On a tech. Remember, you know? I know me choosing there Jamaica, you know? And them stuck me boy, you know? So that means God did want me there, so. I never think about that. If we start to wake up now, here, the world is a dangerous place here. And some very evil people there at the top here. Big up on yourself. Love and love alone. Big up.